Pause real fast, okay. That looks like a fishy of some kind.
Oh, this.
Put him down so Daddy can get a better look. Pour him out. That could be Nemo, I think. Because Nemo's on the box.
And
Or
Dory.
Dory. And Dory too. So that could be Dory or Nemo. Or another type of fish. Okay, now we're going to do Frozen.
Maybe it's mushy.
Ready, Sophie? You got a toy. Let's open it up. Let's see the little flyer. We got Elsa. Queen Elsa. There we go.
You can get
And
the
here's the
app.
flyer.
You can get the app from this one.
There's no app with these.
Just that one.
And that's the instructions. See what the candy is. Oops. Sophie just wants the chocolate, right, Sophie? Miles also wants the chocolate.
Now I already ate my chocolate.
And that's just chocolate. That's an interesting way to do a toy surprise. Anyway, that's a review on surprise toys with candies and chocolates. Have a pony-tastic day, and this is Jonna, also known as Shigo.
And Don Boy.
Sophie and Miles. Pony-tastic day.
Sounds like a chicken.